Alright, trying to give you guys an idea how this looks, but I couldn't do this one-handed and making it look good. So that's how one of these wings looks like. The helmet itself, it has to be shortened down some because legitimately I wouldn't be able to actually move my head at all. Like I would have to, I think actually weld it into place. And this is how the other shoulder looks like when it's placed into where it should go. This one's a little bit harder because it doesn't have another guide. But yeah. So I'm going to try both. And it might not work out. And it might become a really funny video of failure. But yeah, that's how it will look once I weld everything on. Looks pretty good, right? I'm looking at the camera right now and I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Looks good. Just have to figure out a way to get these attached to these and then get this to a fully sandable place. But thank you for watching.